Okay, this is the video regarding BlueSkyPlan software, how to load CBCD image into the software, right? So we always say before learning guided surgery planning or any software, we need to understand where we are keeping our files, right? So you need to understand how to locate the document, how to locate the folders where you have saved or where you store the Dicom file, STL file and all, right? So I'm going to demonstrate how to load the CBCD scan, intraoral scan in using BlueSkyPlan software. Okay, so I know I have the file there in the desktop, single implant case, right? This is not about the implant planning and all. I'm going to just show you how to load the Dicom file into the software. Okay, so I have already BlueSkyPlan installed in my software. If you haven't installed the software, go to blueskybio.com and blueskyplan.com, and from there you can easily download the software. It's a free software. You do not need to pay anything. Only before installing the software, you will need to fill the entire informations like your name, email ID and all. So this is a BlueSkyPlan program I have. You just need to double click or single click in the application. So once it is open, you just drag and drop the file there in the software. Okay, so I can see I have, there is an intraoral scan, I have the Dicom folder, software is loading. So you can see there are so many different programs we have in the software, and I'm not going to use all the applications. Implant planning and surgical guide program we have, where we do the implant planning and surgical guide design. So this is not the video regarding the implant planning and surgical guide. This is the basic video where you need to understand how to load the Dicom file into the software. So I'll just need to minimize these applications for now. Now let's see what file I have. You can see this is the intraoral scan STL file, one data. Another one is, if I double click on it, it's a compressed file. You can see this CBCD folder is the compressed file. So in the compressed file, I have this binary data in a folder. You can see if I completely go inside the folder, you see there are hundreds of binary files are there. That means one file is equal to one slice in the CBCD. So what I need to do, first thing, make sure your entire folder should not be in compressed format. If you don't understand compressed format, it's a zip file. We say we need to zip it to transform this file from one email to another email. If you want to share multiple data to your any colleague or any practices or your partner, right? We need to compress multiple files in one data, one zip file. And then once you download or once you have this file, make sure this compressed folder should be uncompressed or unzip. If I show you, this is the single implant folder and this is not in a compressed format. If it is a compressed format, you can see this data is the compressed format. If I need to load drag it, if I do drag and drop, it will not work. So simply I just need to do right click and extract the files. Then only I can use this folder for drag and drop. Now you can see I have the Dicom file in compressed format. Why? Because I have hundreds of files, binary files are there in the folder. So I cannot one by one, I cannot drag and drop the file slice. So I'll just drag and drop this CBCD compressed file only to the software. I'll hover my mouse. I'm not releasing my mouse. Okay, I just from the left click, I simply dragging the folder and I'll drop the folder there in implant planning into surgical guide, and I'll release the mouse. Software is trying to load the Dicom data. Just need to wait for some time. So in the process, you are not clicking anywhere. Now software is asking me subsampling type, maximum quality, medium quality or low quality. All the time I prefer to save the file or to import the file in medium quality. You do not need to pay much attention on it. You just simply select medium quality, or maximum is also fine. It will increase the file size. I'll just save this file as a medium quality. There is a checkbox, fix erroneous data. I'll just check it. Okay, if you don't check it, that is also fine. You just check it and click OK. You see there is this option in complete full art surgical guide at $499. If you want to place any order, you can visit Image 3D Conversion. There we do provide the services of surgical guide, be it a metal guide, be it resin guide, sequential guide, or immediate loading cases. We do lot of cases throughout the day. You can simply visit our website image3dconversion.com and you can just drop the inquiry if you have any kind of guided surgery cases, and there we can help you out. Okay, anyways, this is the file. You can see in this software, in this section, software is asking you if you want to crop the file. Okay, and I'm keeping it like this only. I'm not interested to manipulate any kind of orientations error. I'm okay with it. I'll just click OK. Okay, whatever the dialog box appears before loading the CBCD scan, you just click OK, keep clicking OK, and you load the Dicom file. There it is. You have the 5 screen. Sometime after loading the CBCT, your screen might be with this look. Let me show you. View, panels, toolbars, main toolbars. Yes, maybe immediately after loading you can see one screen only. Okay, if it is one screen, in the shortcuts you have perspective. Always use tangential 3 or MPR. I prefer to use tangential 3 because it is giving me 3 slice information. This is the center slice, is the main slice where we define buccal and lingual informations of implant or anything. This is buccal view, this is lingual view, this you have the 3D view, this is pan view, and this is tangential window. So what I did, simply drag and drop the file into BlueSkyPlan software, and now you can, if you want to place implant, if you want to do anything, you can start it from here. In my next video, I'll explain how to understand user interface, we call it, of the software, or how the software has been built. Okay, and what we need to follow to use this software. Thank you. This is just the small information for you all, how to load Dicom data into the software, and keep watching my new videos. There I'll share hundreds of videos I'll upload for you all to understand how to use software precisely. Thank you.